Hello kids, welcome to Woku Online Kids TV. Today we learn and write ABCD. A for apple, B for ball, and colors name. So let's start the video. Colors name: yellow color, green color, red color, sky blue color, brown color, gray color, parrot color, blue color, purple color, orange color, and black color. So let's start. A. A for apple. A for apple. A for apple. A for apple. B. B for ball. B for ball. B for ball. C. C for cat. C for cat. D. D for dog. D for dog. E. E for elephant. E for elephant. E for elephant. F. F for fruit. F for fruit. G. G for goat. G for goat. G for goat. H. H for horse. H for horse. H for horse. I. I for ice cream. I for ice cream. J. J for joker. J for joker. K. K for king. K for king. K for king. L. L for lotus. L for lotus. M. M for monkey. M for monkey. M for monkey. N. N for nest. N for nest. N for nest.